China Hobby Line 950s. Start. All right, go ahead. Call me. Hello? I almost hit myself. Alright, let's see if it'll just act right a little bit. Damn it, babe, what did I hit? I hit the curb. I just wanted to try the China Hobby Line. These China Hobby Line 9500 milliamps 90C ones. See what they do. Car just did 150, but I did run it on off the thing. So I just wanted to see. Now I'm gonna check the data log because I'm trying to control my voltage sag. That's why I got a 6-gauge wire on there. I got the 6-gauge wire because I'm trying to control my voltage sag. And I got 6-gauge wire there and 6-gauge wire on the back. So to see if it can help out my voltage sag. You know, I got my little stickers I made with a 150. I made these stickers, so, and I made this King of Cali sticker. It's not saying that I'm the king. I ain't saying I got the fastest car in California. I'm saying I got the fastest Limitless in California. That's why it's on this car. Got another one up there. You know, but so I just want to test them out, get home, see what the data log look like, and I'll be back out once I get this car straightened out. I'm out. Thanks for watching.